Hey guys, Javin here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this Korean down perm over here to tame your Asian hair at home. Enjoy. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So this is a DPERM serum I've done a lot of videos on before, and it's a Canadian-based company called the DPERM for stubborn Asian hair. And what it does is that once you apply this to the side of your hair, it makes it stick down. So if you can see here, all my hair right now is kind of sticking out. The only reason the hair right here is kind of sticking down is due to its hair length. So the Asian hair, when it's long enough, it will just fall down naturally due to gravity. But when it's short like this, it will just stick out. So in this video, I'm going to be applying this to the side of my hair again so it sticks down and I can make my haircut last longer. Now that I no longer have the two-block haircut, my side hair is all exposed for all the world to see. Yeah, I no longer have the top hair here covering my sides, so I really need to do this down perm. In this box, what you will get is this brush over here. This is a 2-in-1. Over here is the brush to apply the serum, and then here's the comb to comb it down. And you can apply it to your side hair, both sides, as well as your back. For me, since like after showering and at night you sleep, your hair naturally gets pressed down on your pillow. So usually for most people, you don't have to put any serum on your back hair. But if your back hair is short, it's the same length as the side of your hair, then you might want to do it. But for me, I'm just going to be doing it on the side of my hair. And how this works is after applying that, you want to apply these end papers just to stick it to the serum. And after that, you apply this. Called the DBAND, just like a regular headband, you just put it around your head. Before I start, I just want to do a close-up shot of my hair before and after I can compare the results. So, line my hair. So right now you can see it's sticking out, and after application, all my hair should stick as close to my scalp as possible. Here we go. So before, like if you watch the earlier videos of my hair doing the serum, I was using this end paper. And this is a thicker kind compared to this. So this is much thinner compared to this thick one. And the thing about the thick one is that when you apply it to your hair, it doesn't really stick to your hair, which is why it did not work as well. So I'm going to be using this time. And usually for a bottle, you can make it last for about 3 to 4 uses, but also it depends how much you use it. Okay, so what you want to do is just apply it as much as possible, like so, and then just straight up apply it to your hair. You want to apply it to all the hair that you want it to go down. So after applying this serum, immediately you can smell like you're in a salon, But not to worry, because all the ingredients are pretty natural. Now that I'm down on one side, I'm going to be doing it on the other side. I might have to put a little bit more. Okay. Almost done. Just making sure everything's even right now. So once that's done, you can apply the end paper. Alright, applying it on. Okay, and now you want to do it on the other side. If you find it not sticking on too well, then you might want to apply more serum. But now that's pretty much on, I think it's pretty good now. What you want to do is get the headband. If you don't have the DBAND, you can use any regular headband that you have at home. Put it slowly, okay, I'm gonna put it over your hair slowly, as so. So for those of you who want to put the DPERM on the back of your hair, this will work as well, and then your headband can help press it down. Alright, so I'll check back in about 20 to 30 minutes time. So while I'm waiting for this down perm serum to do its magic, pressing it down, I want to quickly show you my Funko Pop collection over here. For Star Wars Funko Pops, they all wobble their heads like this. I'll show you. The only ones that don't wobble are like, Pokemon or Halo. Check out the setup. I have more over there. But yeah, I grew up, playing Halo on the Xbox and watching Star Wars. I mean, they're nice, don't you think? So usually the longer you wait for the serum to dry, the better. You don't want to be washing this off too fast. And remember, when you're washing it off, you don't want to use any shampoo, especially for the first time. So after this, and I take off the headband as well as the end paper, you want to wash your hair with water only, no shampoo. Because if you use shampoo, it will wash away the serum and nothing will happen. There's many reasons you guys might want to do the Korean down perm to your hair. The first reason could be that you want to grow out your hair longer and you don't want to get more haircuts. So doing the down perm is a great way to grow your side hair without it looking really bad. When you're growing out your side hair, usually your hair will stick out like a porcupine. But by using the down perm serum, your hair will not look as awkward and you can grow downwards direction. And this down perm serum will last about 3 weeks or so, and then your hair will slowly go back to its original form. But by then, your hair might grow long enough, and like I told you guys, once your hair grows long enough, your hair will naturally stick down. The second reason to getting the down perm serum is that you would prefer a shorter side hair, and by using this down perm, you can still have your side hair without it sticking out. When your side Asian hair is relaxed and stays down, you also give yourself the chance to try out many different kind of hairstyles, right? So for a lot of hairstyles, it will not look as good when your side hair sticks out. So this is also another reason why you want to try the down perm. Alright, it's been 30 minutes, so I'm going to be removing the headband. And paper out. Okay. All my hair on the side is all sticking down now, same as the right side. So I'm going to be rinsing off real quick and show you guys the final result. I just got out of the shower. I'm going to show you the end result. Okay, so here's my left side of my hair. You can see that most of my hair strands are facing in the downward direction. I mean, it's not completely facing down because I didn't use too much hair serum. But yeah. On the right side, to further strengthen the bond, I suggest you to wear the headband again. So just put it as so, and then push it down. And once your hair fully dries, it will ensure that your side hair stays down even longer. So if you guys have been thinking of getting this serum, I'll leave a 15% discount code down in the description. J15, JAY15, and by using that, you can get 15% off the DPERM as well as the DBAND. Anyway, I really hope this video helped you guys. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below and check back next time.